Nowadays, the production of an aeronautical product implies a fragmented supply chain across the world. This leads to multiple flows, resulting in variability and long lead times, and a non-sustainable carbon footprint. Moreover, the necessity to outsource specific operations to external suppliers adds complexity, inefficiency and risks like sleeping cash, excess inventory, limited flexibility and reactivity. With its world-renowned experience in the automotive industry and production of engine blocks for premium automotive and motorsport, Mecachrome has developed and operated a high-performance production line concept which allows merging of aeronautical part references to reach increased production volumes thanks to artificial intelligence. The stakes are robustness, by putting processes under statistical and data-driven control, sustainability, with the reduction of transportation and material optimization, competitiveness, with optimized lead times and saturated production lines, best-in-class multi-program approach and production cycle reduction by 4. This offer, already deployed and approved by major players in the aeronautical and automotive industries, is called Focus Factory. Inside the Focus Factory, each step of the manufacturing process is redesigned or improved. The buy-to-fly ratio is optimized and raw material inventories are secured through the use of standard formats and the possibility of additive manufacturing to create complex blanks. This process is performed in a single flow from the blank to the automated inspection through the burring and surface treatment processes. There are no limits to the processing of material whatsoever. Robotization and full automation are becoming the norm. The benefits for customers are greater robustness, especially since the cycle time is very short and without any non-conformity, enhanced competitiveness, since the production capacity is better utilized with fast process engineering and limited material cash flows, data-driven management, which facilitates production management with key performance indicators shared in real time with customers, and eventually continuous product traceability at each stage, facilitating life cycle continuous improvement, new 4.0 developments, and production hiccups anticipation. Thus, Mecachrome contributes to the production of decarbonized aircraft, the utmost exciting challenge of tomorrow's aeronautical industry.